Today is very special day for Vara. This is not just opening of our new building of Vara headquarters. It marks the beginning of the new chapter in our company's history. A chapter built on the fresh ideas, clear vision, and strong commitment to our customers.
And when we think about Bobcat and how we want to work with our business partners, it's always family. And Vara and the team here, Haidar and Adnan, they really embody that. And that's really, I think, been part of the success that we've had here in Iraq. And, you know, all that growth and partnership that we've had, you guys may not be aware of this, but I'm not sure. I did a little checking on this, Haidar, but you are the #1 dealer in the world for market share for Bobcat. We have no other dealer that has as much penetration as you have. So thank you for that.
We believe that this beginning will strengthen our availability to support our customer. Together, we will continue to make the difference and build a bright tomorrow.
As of today, our partnership with Vara Company does not go back so long. We started to work with them 4 or 5 years ago, but when we look at today, we understand better, we made the right choice. Thank you very much for their contribution.